This is the continuation video of Python. In this video, I will discuss regarding the operator, basic operator in Python. In previous video, I have discussed regarding the data types. Now, in this video, we will discuss the operator. So, I'm creating new file with operator dot ipynb Jupyter notebook file. So I'll create operator.ipynb and just create the code cell and select the kernel means our environment. Okay. So what we will do in this, first of all, we will discuss the operator. In previous language like C, C++, C Sharp, Java, each and every programming language, these are the common things, operator, but a little bit different. Okay, some minor operator is some different. One more are different some additional operator available in the Python and not available, maybe not available in C, C++, C Sharp. So minor difference, but all are same. Okay. So what we'll discuss operator. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. First of all, this we will discuss about the arithmetic operator. What is arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operation means what are the basic operator to use for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the arithmetic operator. Okay, and these operators are used basically in normal mathematics to calculate the things. So in arithmetic, whatever the basic operator are used, that is arithmetic operator, and that arithmetic operator like plus, just comment it, and like plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, modulus, exponential, exp, exponential. Here also some new more operator here, exponential, and division, floor division, we can say floor division, floor div, we can say, and the operator sign is double divide, like that. Okay, I will discuss what is the floor division and all these things. Okay, what is the operator? Suppose this and this. What does it mean? This plus is operator, plus is operator, and plus operator is applied on two operand 3 and 5. So operator is symbol which is used on the operand to get a result. Operator is a symbol which is applied on the operand to get a result. Okay. Okay. So suppose we have a variable a, and in this we have 5, and we have another variable b, in this we have 2. So I will use first a plus b addition operator and just print this one, not holding in another variable, just printing directly. Okay, print a plus b, print a minus b, print a multiply by b. These are the basic operator. What whoever is uh, working or already learned C, C++, C Sharp, Java, the person already know these operators. Just I'm revising the things because this topic also available in Python. So just I'm revising. Whoever the is belongs to the IT background, there's a all all person know about these things. Okay, these basic mathematics operator. So just one by one I'm discussing, not more in deep. Everyone know about these. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So I'm using division A divided by B, and just I'm using print A double divided by B, print A modulus B. Okay, and print A exponential B. Okay, what does it mean by what this means? This means A plus B means 7. After that, this means A means 5. 5 minus 2, that is 3. This means 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. And here 5 divided by 2, and both are the integer. So result will be integer. So 2.0 you are getting. Okay. And here you are getting 2. Okay. Here A modulo B. This is the giving the remainder 2 5 divided by 2, then getting remainder 1. And this means 5. A means 5. 5 to the power B means 2. 5 to the power 2 means 5 to the power 2 means 25. So when I run this, and 7, 3, 10, 2, 2, 2.5, 2, 1, and 25. All are getting right, but here we are getting 2.5. In C, C++, C sharp, if you divide integer integer uh, integer value by the integer value. If you divide integer value by the integer value, then you are the result will be in integer. That's why I have write here 2.2 2.0, not 2.0 2. The result will be 2, but here in the case of Python, it's automatically changed its type, means 2.5, it is getting 2.5. And after this double divide means it divide and the floor the value, just remove the decimal point and get the value. Okay, this double divide means this one. And after that you know about the remainder things, modulo operator, and this is the exponential operator. That means whatever the value, suppose A have value 5, then 5 to the power B means 2, 5 to the power 2. This is for the double star is used for to write the power. Okay, this is the exponential things there. So we will get the result like this. Okay, this is the arithmetic operator. Now we will discuss, after the arithmetic operator we will discuss comparison operator. Comparison operator already also, whoever belongs to the IT field, they already know IT fields and the basically programming language C, C++, they already know the comparison operator. Comparison operator, that is compare and returns the boolean value. Okay, comparison operator always compare, and the result, in the result it's return the boolean value. Okay, it's return the boolean value after the comparison. So comparison operator is like that: double equal, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. Okay, greater than, not equal to, less than, greater than. Okay, less than, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, double equal. This is equal to operator, comparison operator, double equal. This comparison operator, double equal, greater than equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than, and greater than. These are all comparison operator. Finally it returns the boolean value. Okay, suppose here we have the variable a have the value 5, and the variable b also have the value 5. Okay, then in the case of a double equals b, that means both value is a compare b, both are equal, that means true. When we run this, then both are equal, that's why it's written true. Okay, if apply a greater than b, then what will return? It return false because both are equals. Okay, and when you write less than or equal to b, then it returns true because it compare like that, a is less than or equal to, this is greater than, this is greater than, a greater than b. Okay, and this is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means either a is less than b or a equal to b, then this condition is true. Then what the condition, why it returns true? What is the return of this statement? A means 5 is less than 5. No, 5 is not less than 5, but 5 is equal to the 5, so it will return true because one is true. Okay, a means 5, b means 5. 5 is not 5 is less than 5. No, but here equal also, it will check two operator. In less than or equal means either less than or equal, then it will return true. Okay, now greater than or equal to, a greater than b or equal to b. It's also true because a is not greater than b, but a is equal to b. That's why it's written true. Comparison operator the just compare and always return boolean value, either true or false. These are comparison operator: equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, and so we will discuss. Not equal to means a, not equal to. Here you can discuss not equal. Not equal. Not equals means a not equal to b. When we just run this, then a is not equal to b means that is false. A is equal to b means 5 is equal to 5, that is true, but 5 not equal to 5, that is false, because a and b value have value 5. That's why it's written false. Okay. And like you can check on a string also. Suppose we have a string 1, have the value John, John, and the str2 have value John. And I'm comparing str1 equal str2. I'm comparing both are equal or not. Both are equal currently, then it's return true. Because comparison operator always return true. Both are equal, that's why it return true. If I just place capital J, replace capital J to small j, then what happened? It return false, because both are not equal, because here capital J, here is small j. Okay. Already you know that this is case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. Okay, that's why it will check the comparison case value also. Okay, here capital J, here is small j, that's why it's written false. Okay. You understood about the comparison operator, arithmetic operator. Now we will discuss logical operator. Logical operator. Logical operator also available in C, C++. Every programming language have the logical operator, but in programming language, in C, C++, Java, C Sharp, like that, in all the languages, the logical operator are used using this symbol, and this is logical and operator. Okay, this is logical and operator, and this is or operator, and this is not operator. But here in the case of Python, this is the symbol is not available. Here just use and, either small or capital, and or, and for not just use not. Okay. Now what is the use of logical and operator? You know about the logic gates in uh, digital system. If you study regarding the digital system in BCA or MCA or BTech CSIT, logical gates, in digital system, then you already know about the logic gates. Suppose X have the value true, okay, and Y have the value true also. Then in the case of result, it will get X, X and Y. Okay. When I'm printing the result, it will get true, true and true. If both are true, in the case of logical and operator, in the case of logical and operator, if both the condition, both the value is true, then its result will be true. If any one is false, then the result will be false. Any one false or both false, then result will be false. Both need to be true. Suppose both are true, then I am getting the result true. If first one is false, the result is false. If first one is true and second one is false, then what happened? Also the result will be false. If both are true, then result true. If both are false, then C, the result is also false. Yes. In a single case, when the both the value is true, then in that case only the logical AND operator result will be true when both are true. Okay, you got it? Now we'll discuss. This is the example of AND. Now we'll see the example of OR. Same thing, just use same thing, just use the operator here, OR. Just use operator, logical OR operator. In logical OR operator, what happens when anyone means anyone is true, then that is true. If both are true, then also true. If both of one is true, then also true. If both are false, then in that case the logical OR operator will the result will be false. Suppose in logical OR case we have both are false, then in this case only the result will be false. When I execute this one, the result will be false. If anyone is true, the result will be true. When this one true, or this one is false and this one is true, then also the result will be true. If both are true, then the result also true. The single case in R, if both are false, then in that case only the result will be false. Okay, now we will discuss and not operator. In case of not, just a not is the reverse case. Suppose if we have x and x have the value true, then what happened? Just printing x value. Okay, and what happened? It's print true. Okay, and if I'm just you print not here, here we use just not here, not the symbol not, because in the Python just use and, or not, the word, these word are used, not symbol. So in this case the meaning is same, whatever the meaning in C, C++, C sharp, everywhere the meaning is same, and or not meaning is same, but here in the Python we are just using and, or and not, the word are used here. But in the case of other previous languages, the symbol for the and symbol is double ampersand, or symbol is double pipeline, and not for negation, that is exclamation sign, symbol sign are used. But here English word are used for and or not. So here we will not of x, that is the reverse. If the value x have true, then not of x means that is false. In this case that will return false, means whatever the value is holding by the variable x, if you use not operator, then it reverse the value. Here not of x is, if true is x have the true, then not of x is false. If here suppose if x have false, then not of x is true. Here you can see the true. So these are all are about the operator, that is arithmetic operator, that is comparison operator, and that is the logical operators and or and not. So the operator things is completed. So we'll discuss another things in next video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.